Okay, in the concluding session, we are going to translate few statements and I'll comment on it and I will explain that how not to translate or what errors can be happen. So as you can see, these are the five statements. Okay, two are in Hindi and three are in English. Now we are going to translate it into English into Hindi, Hindi into English. Okay, so the first statement, hunt for new college admission formula begins. Now, here the word hunt is very tricky word because hunt, the meaning of it in Hindi is शिकार. तो महाविद्यालय में प्रवेश के नए सूत्र का शिकार शुरू, क्या इस तरह से वो हो सकता है? कतई नहीं. Hunt in Hindi reference, we have to take it as a search, shodh. Okay, so the first statement, how this will translate, let us look at. महाविद्यालय प्रवेश के नए सूत्र की खोज. हाँ, खोज. खोज is the perfect word for search. सूत्र की खोज शुरू. फाइन. ये I mean, this is the correct translation of the first statement. Here, if you fall into trap of hunt as a shikar, then it is going to be mistranslation. The first error. Okay. Now, raise the toast. How you will translate it in Hindi? Toast uthao. Right? But that is not the correct translation of it. Because when you say raise the toast, okay, and you translate it toast uthao या toast uthaya, in English it means that you have picked the toast. Okay, तो ये उसका ट्रांसलेशन नहीं होगा. यहाँ पे कल्चरली लॉस होने का बहुत चांस है बिकॉज रेजिंग द टोस्ट इज नॉट इन हिंदी कल्चर और इन इंडियन कल्चर. whenever you say raise the toast, तो हिंदी में उसका शाम हो, सॉरी, उसका ट्रांसलेशन ये होगा आज की शाम आपके नाम. दिस इज व्हाट यू कैन से, बट यू कैन नॉट से टोस्ट उठाओ या टोस्ट उठाया. ओके, देन इट विल बी inconsistent in proper translation. Okay, so I'll write it because this word raise the toast, okay, ये एक सिग्निफाई करता है वो कल्चरल मीनिंग को जो इंडियन कल्चर में है ही नहीं. इंडियन कल्चर में उसका सिमिलर अगर कुछ ढूंढने जाए तो वो है आज की शाम, बिकॉज इट्स इन अ पार्टी आपके नाम. Atomic plant went critical. I have given this example in my earlier session also. So the word critical is tricky here because critical यानी नाजुक मराठी मध्ये. Okay, so atomic plant went critical. अणु प्रकल्प नाजुक अवस्थेत. That doesn't sound good. What you want to convey, the seriousness. Atomic plant went critical means there is some serious issue happen. Then taking that serious word forward, you can translate it in Marathi is, sorry, uh, अणु प्रकल्प गंभीर अवस्थित. Now, this is the Marathi translation of this particular statement. Now, let us look at the Hindi statement. बरामदे से गिरकर एक युवक की मौत. Now, baramda, okay, is basically a balcony or a gallery. Okay, लेकिन बालकनी या गैलरी इसके कई अलग अलग मीनिंग भी है इंग्लिश में. सो व्हाट व्हाट एग्जैक्टली यू विल डू हियर. बरामदे से गिरकर एक युवक युवक की मौत. सो व्हाट इज बरामदा? You have to convert it into, okay, the English cultural aspect. Okay, so we can say balcony. Okay, से गिरकर एक युवक की मौत. Then यहाँ पे you can write it in two different ways. Say, uh, sorry, okay, or you can write you can write falling from balcony youngster. These are the two ways. Okay, so while translating it, you have to keep all these things in the mind. And last, okay, the fifth one, that is also interesting. Okay, Hmm. मुझे आपकी, sorry, the statement is, there is a spelling error. This can also be happen. Okay, बहुत का नहुत होना. Okay, that is what the grammar and syntax error we are talking about. मुझे आपकी बहुत याद आई. So याद, recall, remember, these are the words. So if you write I re I remember you lot, then this is wrong. Then what is right? I missed you a lot. This is correct. Okay, so uh, these are the things that you have to keep in mind always while translating. Uh, it is not possible, to have each and everything to be translated in other language, but we have to focus on the interpretation, uh, then meaning, then what it means to say. So identifying that fact, and the social concept. So all these six theories you can apply, okay, while translating any text. So in concluding remarks, translation is a need of today's media profession as well as in other professions also. You can sincerely think about translator as a translation as a career option because you have scope, wide scope in it, as globalization is demanding more and more interpreters. Okay, you have a great chance to be a translator or interpreter. It's not only limited to languages of India or America or Europe. You can go for any languages which you feel that you want to go ahead, and you can start working on it. There are language classes available. There are some crash courses available to particular language where you can learn basics of that language, and then by your own skill you can develop this translation skills, and then sky is the limit for you. So thank you very much. Uh, in this particular session, I have uh, given you an assignment where you have to translate two paragraphs from English to Marathi or Hindi in whichever language you are comfortable. Thank you.